Good morning from Disabled Soapbox. Here's the other video. This is the pack we're going to be opening. Let's see what happens. I'm going to put you down for a second, so hang on. Thank you for the support. We're almost to 50 subscribers. Thank you very much to my fiance wife. She's awesome. She puts up with all my dumbness and whatnot, and she's pretty epic, and she does epic work. So shameless plug. White Rose Designs. Somebody go shopping. Anyway, let's do the pack opening. Okay. So, okay, fine, we'll go this way. All right, we're gonna go this way. So we got that's our first one. I can't do the count off thing like everybody else, so that's our first card. Not a heavy hitter. Here's our second. There we go. And I do have there's a shiny card in there, so we'll see what happens there. Here's the next one. Man, tell you what though, everybody out there, that tariffs thing is crazy, and I think it's gonna go bad. So we'll have to see what happens there. Everybody, keep your head down, head up, or whatever. All you can do is keep fighting, even though when we keep fighting, we get tired. And I'm kind of rambling, I'm sorry. Here's the next one. Oh, and I actually have 2 rares in a pack. I haven't had that happen before, so I'm a little bit freaked out. We'll see what happens. Oh boy. Holy cow, I got 3 rares in a pack. So we'll have to see. I will get these checked out. There's that one, and then we have an energy. Haven't done a pack opening for a while, and like I said, getting a card these days is getting a pack of cards can be a little bit tricky sometimes. It's just because of those guys that just pick up everything and don't leave anything for the rest of us. Greedy goobers. But like I said, I've discovered that you can get cards from Shields, so that's awesome. Anyway, I will post what the cards, the rares are going to look like, or price wise, and I'll do a short video on that. But thank you for the support from Disabled Soapbox, and also for supporting White Rose Designs. You guys have a good day and a safe rest of your week. Disabled Soapbox signing off. Like I said, I don't do videos during the weekend unless something epic happens. Talk to you later. Bye.